Hi, welcome to Familiar Guide. I'm Margaret Martin, and today I'm going to cover the guidelines for osteoporosis and exercise. This little overview is my baby, in a sense that when Familiar Guide was started, it was started all around osteoporosis and all around the need for people with osteoporosis to be empowered to know what it is that is safe to do, because the last thing you need to do is to not move. So many of my clients get the diagnosis of osteoporosis and like, oh, I don't know what to do, I'm afraid I'm going to break, I'm afraid I'm going to do something wrong that's going to cause a fracture. They're feeling pain in their neck, and they think that the bone density score that says low neck density has to do with this neck and not with the neck of the femur. So there's so much fear that's all involved around osteoporosis that this guide is really there for you to be empowered to move, to know how to move safely, to know how to do the strength exercises that are safe for you, the right cardiovascular exercises, the most appropriate flexibility exercises, so you can just enjoy the stretch without feeling that you're putting your spine at risk. The Osteoporosis Guide is going to provide you with essential such as what type of equipment. I hear people talking about weighted vests. I hear people talking about vibration platforms, about hip protectors. I want to find out more about those things. I have chapters just devoted, blogs devoted to these topics. Also, so many people ask me my opinion on pharmaceuticals. Well, you'll get my opinion and the opinion of pharmacists that are well recognized in Canada, nutritionists that have contributed to my blog with information on proper nutrition, on supplements. There's also great resources for individuals who are out of this mainstream of osteoporosis. Their osteoporosis isn't just the result of having hit menopause, but rather because they've had an eating disorder, or they have cancer, or they had polio when they were a child. So, I address osteoporosis within special populations. And so, if you have not yet purchased Exercise for Better Bones, I strongly encourage you to, supplement this guide with the exercise, because that was my very first big step in training thousands of professionals so that they could also help their clients one-on-one. But that's your ultimate guide that will have all your exercise schedules, and so that you will know day by day, step by step, what it is that you should do. And so that is definitely sort of the first step you should do, and use all of these blogs to supplement it, because as the years went on and as I updated the book, I still had so much information to share, and that information is here within these blogs, but it's really complementing the book the entire way. And so the Exercise for Better Bones is there for you. There are 4 levels for you to work from beginner to elite, and so there's something for everyone, and I encourage you to feel empowered. That's the essence of the guide, is to allow you to have the information that you need so that you can move safe, enjoy life, and respect where your bone density is, but understand the difference between your bone density and your bone quality, and know that every step you make moving in the right direction is the step that's going to help you build stronger bones. So thanks for tuning in. I'm Margaret from Familiar Guide.